It's a great day. Paul Santisi here with a brand new short and compelling audio that we can all relate to. Let me ask you a question. Why is it that most people from around the world struggle with answering this question when they ask themselves, what am I going to do with my life? Why am I here? Who am I supposed to be? How does this all work? And beyond that, what does it all mean? What is it that I am here to do? What am I good at? What do I like and enjoy about myself? These are questions that we all ask ourselves over and over and over again. And for many of us, we've been doing this going back since a very young age. And usually what follows when we try to figure it out is more confusion, more fears, doubt, uncertainty, and mixed emotions. And for far too many, these questions are so overwhelming, most just give up and live their lives with their heads down. Then, because of that, that's when 99% of people make a huge mistake. And I'm talking a huge, gigantic mistake. And this choice, this mistake, can affect the course of their lives in a very detrimental way. You see, they then ask others. They ask the wrong people. They ask people who have not a clue how they think and how they truly feel about themselves. They ask people that can't answer the questions that we are asking about ourselves. Folks, look, the majority of humanity confides in the wrong people. We ask the wrong people, what do they think we should do with our lives? We ask our parents, our friends, our teachers, professors, counselors, co-workers. We ask our neighbors, our boyfriends, girlfriends, or spouses, or those that we're in relationships with. Then the majority of these people, now most of them, I would say a good solid 9 out of 10 of them. Now, there is a very small fraction of people who do provide good rock solid advice. A very small fraction, but they are out there. I'm talking about the vast majority. When asked, they give you complete, bogus, canned, programmed answers like, oh, go back to school, get another degree, do what your mother or father does, follow in your family's footsteps. Do what so-and-so is doing online. That works, right? Now, think about it. What does this do? It makes us even more confused. Because now we have all these made-up opinions in our heads on what we think we should be doing with our lives. Because we ask people that can never answer the question on who you are. Because they are not you, and they will never be you. Did you follow that? Pay attention. Knowing who you are and what feels right to you in your life is something, ladies and gentlemen. This is something that only you can feel about yourself. What if I was to tell you that the truth, the information, the knowledge, and most of all of the answers to what you should do with your life and who you should become for you What if I was to tell you that all that information, all that knowledge was already pre-programmed within you as part of your DNA vibration and your DNA offering? But you see, through a lifetime of listening and confiding in the wrong people, in addition to that, being totally bombarded by negative influences, this has suppressed who you really are. It has suppressed it. So up to this point, for many of you, for most of you, for the vast majority of you, you have been forced. You have been forced. You have been forced. And I'll say it one more time. You have been forced to forget who you really are. And for reasons that we're not going to touch on this audio. Now, the great news is that, yes, you may have forgotten who you truly are. But who you truly are can never be erased. It can never be forgotten. Sure, absolutely, it can be strongly influenced to be ignored, but it can never be removed from your DNA vibrational offering. You see, it's always within, and it's always earning to be reactivated and to be utilized for your own life experience and your own unlimited benefit. You see, folks, the magic, the advanced understanding, the high-level truth is that you must make a decision. You must make a decision to relearn how to open that inner door to who you really are. And as soon as you do, what you do with your life for the rest of your life, instantly, and I mean instantly, folks, becomes amazingly clear. How does that sound? How does that sound? Who are you kidding, right? Who are you kidding? It sounds phenomenal, Paul. It sounds fantastic. Imagine for a moment. Imagine from this moment on, you know who you truly are. You can feel what your life mission is. You can feel your purpose. And beyond that, you activate a magnetic attraction and an energetic pull that is so powerful, intense, and that it feels so good that it's virtually impossible not to feel amazing and to smile most of the time. As you know by now, folks, Santisi will always have your back when it comes to sharing the right information on what works. Beyond that, I am one of the only people out there that will also share with you the step-by-step application on how to apply what I talk about. I have had access to this high-level knowledge for a long time now. And over the years, I have finally observed enough people, countless people, who are ready and who qualify to hear this, only if they're interested. So I decided to record this high-level information so that the masses can have the opportunity to hear it. Like I said, only if they want to. Because when they do, they will all know with 100% certainty who they are. And you will instantly let out more of who you are, and that will result in you instantly beginning to live a higher quality of life for yourself and others. This is what I have done. I created these two audios. These two audios are specifically all about your unique brain wiring. And listen, folks, these audios are epic, and that's the bottom line. And on these audios, I discuss what I learned from my mentors on how to quickly and effortlessly identify what you are truly good at and what you are here on planet Earth to do. These audios assist you to define and to release what you have a natural inclination to do naturally with joy and pleasure. Trust me, folks. Trust me. Once you observe what you are designed and hear and you can feel about yourself, you will become an immediate success. You will become an immediate success without any struggle. You will know who you really are. And folks, I personally guarantee it. Think about it. Imagine truly knowing who you are and why you are here on earth. Waking up each day knowing and feeling who you really are and becoming an immediate, an instant success at it. In addition to that, feeling great about yourself all the time. And beyond that, getting more and more motivated and self-empowered with each passing day. Folks, these audios allow you to flip that switch from the inside. Flip that switch from the inside so you activate and let out more of who you are and what you are here to do and to who you want to become. Folks, I'm telling you, after listening to these audios, you will know without question. You will know without question what your DNA is wired for you to excel at. These audios will have your jaw hit the floor with how much truth about who you really are that they reveal. Remember, folks, brain wiring, it's all about you. Not what you think you should do, not what your parents or friends want you to do. Your life is your decision, folks. And it's not based on others' views, others' opinions, others' judgments, others' assumptions, expectations, or assessments, or levels of control that you allow them to have over you. It has nothing to do with what you went to school for or what you think others have influenced you to do. No, ladies and gentlemen. It's all about releasing and feeling what your specific brain wiring is and utilizing it. Your own unique, one-of-a-kind brain wiring only belongs to you, and when you learn how to release it and to activate it and to use it to your advantage, this is what makes your life so much easier to create. It makes your life abundant, and feel-good success just begins to ooze in and through you, because you will know what your strengths and what your weaknesses are. And once you know that, you will thrive. You will thrive automatically, and you will have no other option but to thrive effortlessly. And you will thrive without any confusion, without any stress. Procrastination will be a thing of the past, and doubt won't even be in your vocabulary. Here is the limited time offer. This is what you will receive. You will receive these two audios titled Brain Wiring, that they will reveal high-level knowledge that you've never heard before, as well as bring you through a series of interactive exercises to open that inner door from within. And once that door is open, then you'll flip your inner switch that will let more of who you are really out. Folks, these audios are ultra powerful. Then on this audio, this one here, this is a demonstration audio where I guide you along and you begin to apply what you released on the first audio. So the first audio opens that inner door, then the second audio keeps that door wide open. So you are not controlled or influenced by the wrong sources for the rest of your life. You will feel your purpose. You will feel your life's path. And you will plan the moment for you to become you. These audios will leave you wide open to live, to create, and to fully let out who you really are for the world to absorb, and observe, and appreciate. These audios are some of the most revealing and powerful ones yet, folks. Look, the regular price for these audios on the main website, they're $199, and they are worth every single penny of that. However, you know me. I'm always running crazy limited time offers, right? So right now, you can get both audios on brain wiring. You can download them instantly. So you can begin to listen to them right away, and you can have them for a fraction of the regular price. Not $199, folks. No. Only $7.77. Yes, $7.77 for 2 audios that have the power to change your life just by listening. Plus, like everything else, I will also give you an unconditional money-back guarantee. Folks, you have nothing to lose and a lifetime of confidence, smiles, happiness, knowingness, and success to gain from these 2 audios. If you're interested, there is a special limited time link in the description. And look, folks, pay attention, okay? Don't wait. Don't think about it. Because when most people say, well, I'll think about it, you think of reasons why you shouldn't. Don't wait, don't think, grab them now. Because this offer can come down at any time, and it probably will. It'll probably come down sooner than later. This is a limited time special, and it won't last long. It's a mere pennies, folks. $7.77. This is Paul Santisi in the studio, and I'm signing off for now. And I look forward to hearing your personal success story. And I look forward to meeting you in person and giving you a hug and looking you in the eye at an upcoming live event. If you're interested, there's a special link in the description. Both audios right now, a mere $7.77 with a full, unconditional money-back guarantee. I'm telling you, folks, you'd be nuts not to get your hands on this information. You know I love ya!